Well, we lost the other guys. Got 4 strong bandits here. I had to pull this out of the membrane and pull the rest of the shell. And hopefully, with any luck, she's moving. Come on, baby. You can do it. There you go, baby. Come on. There you go. Come on. Hopefully, we got another one coming here. Come on, baby. I don't want to lose another one. Come on. Go meet your amigos over here. Look at that ducky's downstairs on the way, too. Come on, baby. There you go. Keep breathing for me. Come on, baby. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go, baby. I'll keep you posted.